we're going to continue with our Fs. So what I'm going to do is just a line from all the way to the top, then down to the baseline, up again, and then I'm going to do like this little hat at the ascender, and then just a cross stroke right there. From the ascender to the baseline, up, then do the F like that. So moving on to the I, it's basically the same form. We're just going to go down from the ascender to the descender, and then up like this, kind of like the F. And then I just like to do this little curve like that, down, up, and then the curve at the end for the I. Okay, so again, we're gonna do from here to the bottom, then up, and we're gonna do a little hat like this. Okay, now we're gonna do a J, and these are fun. I like J's. So we're gonna start at the midpoint from the X height, go all the way to the ascender in a thin line, and then we're going to come down all the way to the descender, and then we're going to come up again in a curve. From the X height, up in a thin line, down thick, and then up in a loop towards the X line. K's are fun also. So we're going to start at the ascender line, and we're going to come down just in a simple line like this. And then we're going to go from the ascender line to the midpoint, and then from the midpoint to the baseline again. Okay, so one more time. I'm going to go up, just a little up, and then down, and then all the way from the ascender line to the middle, down, up. Moving on to the L, we're going to start with a little loop from the ascender line to the middle part here between these two lines, and then we're going to come down all the way to the to the baseline, and then we're going to do a little loop here. We come down a thick stroke, up in a thin towards the center line, and then down to the baseline, and up and down and up. Now for the S, it's like the one we did before in the undercase alphabet. So it's going to be the same thing. It's just going to be bigger. So we're going to do from this middle part right here that we've been using. So we're going to go up in a curve and then down. We're going to do a little curve like that, and we're going to finish. There we go. Up, come down, up. A downstroke, thick downstroke, and then we're going to come up to the baseline in a curve, and then we're going to do this line like this. Okay, so that's your T. Do it again, up thin, and then